In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in PayPal. If you need to update the country setting you see while browsing PayPal, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can make the change without confusion. Just keep in mind that this is about selecting the country shown in PayPal's website footer and privacy area, so follow along carefully on the same page. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're on your account summary page. Once you're there, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, look for the privacy option and click on it. This takes you into PayPal's Privacy Hub, which is where you can access the country selector shown on the site. After the privacy page opens, move your attention to the lower right area of the screen. You should see the country currently displayed there. Click on that country name. This is the control that opens the list of available countries and regions. If you don't see it immediately, take an extra second to scan the bottom right corner carefully, since it can be easy to miss depending on your screen size or zoom level. Once you click the current country, a selection menu will appear. From here, choose the country you want to switch to. Go through the list carefully and select the correct option. After you click it, the site should update based on that country selection. And that's it. That's how to change the country setting in PayPal through the privacy section. If the page does not seem to update right away, give it a moment to refresh. It can also help to make sure you click the country in the lower right corner specifically, since that is what opens the correct selector. One quick tip before you go. Changing the country shown on the website is not always the same as changing the registered country of an actual PayPal account, since account regions can have their own rules and limitations. So if you're trying to fully move an account from one country to another, you may need to review PayPal's official guidance separately. But for changing the country selection shown on the site itself, this is the path you'll use. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change country in PayPal.